A lot of times when I speak with students and I ask them, what's holding you back from leaning into your true leadership? A lot of the times they tell me it's fear. Fear of making a mistake, fear of getting it wrong, fear of being an imposter. And I tell them, you've got to break that wall down. Stop putting such a high banner on it. Stop making leadership such an unattainable thing. I want to be the catalyst that you come in contact with that will help you to have a mindset shift before you leave here. You're going to decide that you're not going to be held back by fear. Decide that you're not going to be held back by circumstances. Decide that you're not going to be held back by any type of obstacles.
This is where the connection happens, right? This is where the mental juices start flowing, because when you're able to bounce ideas off of someone else, that's where that innovation happens, and that's where that mind shift really comes into place, right? So I love when I'm able to do a session and I can get the audience talking and leaning in, because it gets the mental juices going.
If this presentation had happened when I was a student, I would have been grateful for a myriad of reasons. One, at my institution, there weren't a lot of Black women talking about leadership. So I didn't feel like that there was necessarily a space for me all the time to see myself as an empowered leader in all of these different arenas.
The keynote was very important in terms of the knowledge I gained. One major one was to also have the motivation and the mindset to have a motivative movement. Without it, you are about a shark in the water that's not moving. You're gone. That's what I take as my major takeaway. It helps you.
You can always think about the things that you need to improve on, but actually taking action and taking that step to improve yourself as a leader, I feel like that's what makes a big difference.
Not only do you need to take action, but there's going to be multiple sets of failures too. And to learn from those failures and to harness that to grow yourself and the people around you.